The Koenigsegg Sadair Spear is a revolutionary page in the hypercar development book, taking the already phenomenally capable Jesko Attack and further refining it in nearly every department. The Swedish marque has created a car built not just for pace, but to dominate. A leap ahead of engineering of significant bravery, the Sadair Spear combines power, agility, and precision in a package that remains fully road legal around the world. Although it's a track-tuned product, its homologation for street use is testament to the engineering artistry that's gone into its production. With production limited to just 30 units, all of which have been pre-booked, this hypercar joins a rarefied club of automotive excellence. Under its aerodynamic carbon fiber bodywork lies a retuned twin-turbocharged V8 engine that's even more optimized for unleashing unprecedented performance. With more precise calibration and improved cooling systems, the engine now produces 1,300 horsepower on regular unleaded gasoline and an eye-watering 1,625 horsepower on E85. Both are significant improvements over the Jesko Attack, with increases of 20 and 25 horsepower respectively. Despite the addition of these increases, the engine still uses Koenigsegg's innovative Lightspeed transmission, using a flywheel-free system to deliver silky smooth gear changes. Managed by paddle shifters alone, the system delivers lightning-quick changes optimally matched to the car's explosive acceleration. Weight is a major factor in achieving hypercar performance, and the Sadair Spear does so with dramatic reductions. With a curb weight of 35 kilograms less than the Jesko Attack, the hypercar now surpasses the mythical 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio that was once defining of the Koenigsegg 1-to-1. Reducing the weight enhances not just raw speed, but response and handling as well. A recalibrated chassis specification accompanies the weight loss. Lighter suspension springs and Koenigsegg-engineered front triplex dampers for enhanced cornering dynamics and greater control of hard driving on the track. Also included are enhanced carbon ceramic brakes with stronger pad material to deliver consistent and insistent braking power at high-speed stress. Arguably, most visually distinguishable and dynamically advanced of the Sadair Spear features is its advanced aerodynamics. A new dual-blade active rear wing is the star, delivering more downforce in various driving conditions. Together with reprofiled underfloor strakes and louvers on both sides of the wheel arches, this setup provides maximum traction and lower drag. The rear profile is lengthened only as much as necessary to achieve car stability, while the nose has been reworked in relation to canards, hood vents, side intakes, and louvres. These are used both to enhance cooling efficiency and enhance the aerodynamics of the car. One other highlight is the addition of directional turbine blade-style air-core carbon fiber wheels, formed at each corner in a configuration that promotes maximum airflow and brake cooling. These wheels are fitted with wider, track-bias tires, providing greater grip and presence to the vehicle. The Sadair Spear cabin holds to a philosophy of lightness without sacrificing essential modern comforts. Weight-saving compromises are numerous, from a less heavy center console to slimmer carbon fiber bucket seats and the use of lighter materials throughout. Less insulation saves weight, and 3-point seatbelts are a standard fitment, with the choice of 6-point harness available for those purists who demand an even more extreme track experience. Alongside these hardcore features, there is also plenty of indulgence on the inside, like the Smart Cluster digital driver's display, wireless charging of phones, and a bird's-eye view parking aid system. Features that demonstrate the two-faced personality of this hypercar. It can be employed to give track-capable thrills, and yet still be a usable and comfortable road car. The name Sadair Spear is provided as a reference to a family honor within the Koenigsegg family. The nickname refers to the namesake of Jesko von Koenigsegg's favorite racehorse, a man who happens to be Christian von Koenigsegg's father, and the namesake for the original Jesko hypercar. It provides the otherwise clinical, calculating machine with a touch of heritage and emotional appeal that might otherwise be lacking. Performance figures from track testing in real-world conditions already betray the Sadair Spear's advantage. On Sweden's Gotland Ring, it lapped 1.1 seconds faster than the Jesko Attack, a simple demonstration of its accumulative benefit from its upgrades. Such is a big margin in the field of top-flight motorsport engineering, and shows the potential for record-breaking circuit performances in other conditions as well. The union of raw power, state-of-the-art aerodynamics, and tightly designed chassis provides this hypercar with a clear advantage not just on closed circuits, but in the world of high-performance road cars as well. Its maintenance of road-legal status distinguishes the Sadair Spear from other highly exclusive, track-only cars, expanding its flexibility without sacrificing unparalleled performance credentials. Visually, the Sadair Spear continues Koenigsegg's aggressive but refined styling. The exterior updates are deliberate, dictated by aerodynamic needs and cooling efficiency rather than purely aesthetically. However, the end result remains engaging, with every line, duct, and wing element contributing to a unified design language. The twin-blade rear wing adds another dimension to the hypercar's form, and the directional wheels add dynamic character even when the vehicle is standing still. Overall proportions are enhanced by the marginally stretched rear and tastefully reworked front fascia. These modifications not only are beneficial functionally on a technical basis, but also result in a more aggressive, more assertive road presence, one befitting its high-performance status. The Sadair Spear captures the vision and ideals which have defined Koenigsegg as a marque. It is an expression of technological daring and ingenuity, complemented by the emotional weight of personal legacy and homage. In Christian von Koenigsegg's view, the vehicle is a natural progression, uniting unbridled power, clever aerodynamics, and outstanding road presence into one performance vehicle. Creating such a hyper-competent car to meet road regulations in markets across the globe is proof of both engineering and design skill shortages. It is not merely a new generation of a previous model, but a rewriting of what is possible in the realms of road-legal hypercars. With every element designed to the highest degree and infused with symbolic meaning, the Spear on the Koenigsegg Sadair is the pinnacle of vehicle innovation. It is not merely a refinement of the Jesko Attack, but an entirely new development that pushes the boundaries of velocity, handling, and versatility. From its grotesque power output and its featherweight build to its clever aerodynamics and elegant interior, this hypercar is an uncompromising synthesis of ingenuity and passion. The world may never witness another car like it, at least not before Koenigsegg has the courage to push the boundaries one more time.